Welcome guys, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and I'm just on my Facebook right now. If you want to get in touch with me at any point of time for any further help or any tips, please feel free to comment in the comment section of this video. Let me know your thoughts, because at the end of the day, we're here to share with you, and many people are looking on YouTube for this kind of content on why it should help them, and I just want to be available. That is my primary focus, even with this channel, is to be available and share with you the tips and journeys and strategies that I'm on. I'm not looking for anything specific other than that, So if you are interested, then just let me know. That's all. Okay. You'll also find a link to my Facebook in the description below, so feel free to subscribe to this channel so you get the future videos and I can communicate more with you. Other than that, let's get into the exact details of this video that I want to share with you guys today. Give me a second and I will get into it. So we are going to talk about how you can send a broadcast email through Aweber. So I'm going to go to my email address and I'm just going to click on the main email address. You'll see a lot of junk email that's coming in, which I have to delete, but that's fine. I want to go and look for my name, and you went, David, why are you looking for your name? I will show you why very specifically. Okay, so now I will type tips with Dave. Okay, great. So this is an email that I sent yesterday. Two emails actually that I sent yesterday, and I have this email in mind just as a test, okay? But it's a broadcast email that I've sent, okay? It's a broadcast email that I've sent. At the moment, what I am doing right now is I'm very much focused on building my funnel and building everything related to Tips with Dave. I'm revamping my whole brand, and it's taking a bit of time, but I don't mind that it takes time, but I still want to provide the value and content to the people who are following me, right? And majority of the people are following me on through my list. So what they do is they go to my website, like this, or if I just go to Tips with Dave, which you can find in the description of this video, by the way, you will see that there's an email address like this that they need to put in. So once they put in, they get sent to they will be added to my email list. Now, what is your email list, right? What is Aweber? Aweber is a responder that you can use, like GetResponse, MailChimp. MailChimp is free, for example, for the first 2,000 subscribers, but you can't do automated messages. You have to do a fixed follow-up series, and that's it. You can't do broadcast emails, and I like to do broadcast emails because it brings reality to a situation that is not automated. You see, guys, you can automate 89%, in my opinion. 89% of your business, you can automate it, okay? From your presenting, to your videos, to your landing pages, to your email follow-up series, to your sales itself, you can automate it. 89%. But the other 11% has to be done by manually, has to be done in a way that you are engaging, you are providing, and focusing on 11% and automating 89% is going to be beneficial for you in the long term, okay? Because then it becomes scalable. Then you're focusing on the same activities, but a larger amount of people are then involved and engaged with you. This is how many businesses actually start to generate more and more leads and sales. It's because they're focusing on the automation 89% of the time and just 20% or 11%, sorry, on the manual side where they are engaging. There is more lifetime activity. A broadcast does that for you. So if I send a broadcast for today, I can talk about today. The people who are getting the emails are getting the emails for that day. I usually have a follow-up series, and after the follow-up series, I only send broadcast emails out to the people who have finished the follow-up series, okay? Because there are people on my list who could be here for years and not join me until they want to. And if they don't open my emails, then I will chuck them out of my list. Basically, I will just clear them out of my list. If they do open my emails, then I will keep them there, and I will engage with them more. Okay, I will engage with them more. So this is what I do. Every 6 months to 8 months, I would like to, just clean my list and focus only on the people who are opening my emails. So how do we create a broadcast with Aweber? You join Aweber, you have the list set up. I'm not going to go through those details. I'm just going to go through messages right here, and you click on broadcast. Okay, so now if I click on broadcast, you'll see that over the last few, showing you my results very specifically. Yesterday I sent 16 people open. It is the weekend, so most probably less people have opened it now, but once they get back from the weekend and on Monday, they should have opened this email as well, which they will get. So otherwise, on a day-to-day basis, around, you can see 31 here, 30 here, 24 here, 29 here. People are still opening my emails, which I'm really proud of, actually, that they are opening them. Okay, so how do you create a broadcast message? You go to create message, click on drag and drop email builder, and you'll get this right here. Now I usually center align it, so I just want to say I go to templates right here and I put plain and center. I've already created the email that I want to send out today, and it's a value-based email. Okay, as you can see, I'm not really pitching so much about here. I'm talking to them about, for the future, enjoy yourself, enjoy quicker. Now I want to mention very specifically that this is not a get rich quick. A lot of people have programs and stuff like that, but I wanted to talk about a possibility that you can definitely have a quicker approach to getting rich quicker, but not get rich quick. So what does this mean? It means that you speed up the process by having another business, having an online business, having another stream of income, and that allows you to generate more sales and income for yourself. But it doesn't mean that it is going to get you rich quick. It definitely speed up the process for you. So this email is short, simple. You can see it's just about a few paragraphs that I've written it pretty quickly. Okay, and I will copy this. And what I will do is I will go to my, this is what I do. This is just my process. I go here. So I do it in Notepad, so it's without any editing as such. Here it gets me everything very specifically. I go to the page right here and I add it right here. Now this is my whole email. Now I have to do it in such a way that this is what I want the subject to be, because I've already, taken into consideration that. I put the subject there, and I'm like, hey, it's David. Now it's not a get rich quick email, although sometimes I wonder why, and then blah, 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 blah. Okay, so I will select all of this and I will just increase the font size a bit. I want it to be around 14 or maybe 15 is better. Sorry, let's go to 15. I think it's better. Yeah, 15. Okay, this is my email. As you can see, it's pretty short and it's center aligned. So what am I going to do next? Okay, I'm going to put something that is a signature from me so I can brand myself, and I copy this, add it here. I'll just, because sometimes this doesn't edit, so because it's copied, so I just like to go over the last few letters again, and then the same right here. Okay, and I can delete this, and I'm just creating the email in front of you guys. I'm going to send my broadcast today. Once I click here to edit, it opens a tab right here. I can click on image. I have an image of myself and my wife. We have quite a few actually. So let's pick on a nice image. You know what? Let's do this. I'm gonna put my wedding picture there because I feel like, and I think it's got a good edge to it. They see who I am. A bit bigger. See my face, they see my wife, that's my wedding date. You can see the wedding date, and I have put right here asterisks, right? So I have a video. Which I need to find again because I might have closed it. So let's go back to YouTube and go to my channel. So what I want to do is I want to send them to a video. I want to send them to a video on my YouTube channel. Okay. Very simple, very clear, very concise message. All I want to do is send them to a video on my YouTube channel. So, where is the video I was looking at? Yeah. So I want to explain to them the matrix right here. Let's close this, copy, and we really don't need maybe this video playing in the background. So I go here, and where the asterisk sign is, I'm going to put them, and I'm going to put paste. Okay, and then I'm going to clear this, even the dot, and I'm going to clear this, and that is how it is going to be. So what's going to happen is I can either do it this way or put it on a new line. So I say, hey, it's David. Does this mean get your score claim? I think no, it's just faster than sitting down and waiting without taking any action. So I took a camera and made a video about it. It gives a whole review on a Sunday like this one or any other one. It takes blah blah blah, as you see it written. Enjoy, and we'll catch up soon. So I'm still sharing about myself. I'm not really pitching. I just want to tell them that I made a video about it, what I'm talking about in this email, and check it out. You know, that's all. There's no pitching, there's nothing, and that's exactly what I'm talking about here, giving an idea of what the matrix is and the review as a method to definitely start the process. Okay, and it is. And then I have here, find me on Facebook, so I need to add the link as well to Facebook. So I go back and I click on this, which is the link sign right here. Again, same process. Okay, and my email is ready. My email is ready. I click on preview to test. Okay, and just to make sure that everything's okay, I'm going to send it to my email address. Click on send test. And if I go back to my email address, you will see that test has come to my email. So this is how it will look to every single person on my list. They come, they see it's me, they get whatever they need to, and they can find me on Facebook if they want, and I can check the links if they're working. This takes me to Facebook. Great. Let's see what this takes me to. It takes me to my video. So both the links are working perfectly. I'm happy. We're happy. Now the next step would be is to send this, right? So right now I've sent this to myself. I'm going to go save and exit. Okay, save and exit. Now I have the email right here. I click on send options, schedule a broadcast, and if you have any segments, then you choose segments. I'm going to just choose post follow-up crypto because people are still going through some people are still going through the email follow-up series that I have, and that's the segment that I have. If you don't, just keep it on active subscribers, depending on you. If you want to know how to create the segment, I do have another video on that, which you can find at the end of this video, how to create a segment for Aweber. Okay, I'm including all list because I want to send it as one email to all the people on my list. Click on apply, send now, cannot undo this action, bum, and it gets sent. Okay, it'll take me to the broadcast messages, and it is in the process of being sent right now, as you can see, to a lot of people. Okay, so once that gets done, I have no idea why it's saying 0, guys. You saw earlier it was showing that there's some bugs sometimes in Aweber, but as you can see, I've sent it now to the people, to everyone, to 6 lists, 244 people. I've just cleared my list. I've cleaned my list, guys. So I hope that this is better results and better results as I go along with the people that are there on my list. So that's how you create a broadcast and send a broadcast from Aweber itself. I've just sent it one email, 5 minutes of my time during the day, or 10 minutes of your day, or 30 minutes of your day, depending on how fast you're writing. You send the email out, and you can send it to tens, 20, 30, 40, 100,000 people, depending on how many people you bring on a day-to-day basis and generate leads in your business. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I haven't done a tutorial for a while, so I'm happy that I spent the time today with you guys on the tutorial. And if you do have any questions, feel free to hop them and put them and post them in the comments below. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. I'm going to see you on the next video.